Driving in high winds can be challenging and dangerous. Strong winds can affect your vehicle's handling, visibility, and stability, making it difficult to maintain control of your vehicle. Although a high wind can happen anytime and anywhere, certain areas are more prone to exposure, high bridges, for example, or valleys coming out of a mountain pass. Sudden wind gusts are encountered through Nevada, including city driving environments. On August 8, 1989, the highest winds ever recorded in Las Vegas as a part of a summer storm cell, with gusts around McCarran, reached 90 miles an hour, causing much damage around the community. A high wind can reduce visibility due to blowing snow, dust, and debris. Lane obstruction from downed power lines, trees, and accidents. Flying debris can damage the vehicle and cause vehicles to swerve. Reduce your speed. High winds can make it difficult to control your vehicle, especially if you're driving at high speeds. To reduce the risk of losing control of your vehicle, slow down and maintain a safe speed for the conditions. Turn on headlights if needed to account for potentially lower visibility created by blowing dust, sand, snow, or rain. Keeping both hands on the steering wheel is crucial when driving in high winds. Strong winds can push your vehicle off course, and having both hands on the wheel allows you to maintain control of your vehicle and steer it in the right direction. Maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles is always important, but it's even more crucial when driving in high winds. Wind gusts can cause sudden movements in other vehicles, making it important to keep a safe distance to avoid a collision. Pay attention to road signs. Road signs such as high wind area or wind gusts are placed in areas where high winds are common. Pay attention to these signs and be prepared for sudden wind gusts and changes in wind direction. If winds are severe enough to prevent safe driving, pull over into a secure parking area. The shoulder of a busy roadway is not safe, and stop, making sure you are away from trees, power lines, or other tall objects that could fall onto your vehicle. Driving in high winds requires extra attention and focus. Stay alert, be aware of your surroundings, and anticipate sudden gusts or changes in wind direction.